Writing cozy mysteries. Let's make them adorable, twisty, and just a little bit deadly. Tip 1. Start with a setting that feels like a hug, but hide a secret in the teacup. A small town, a bookshop, a bakery, somewhere readers want to move into. Then, ruin it, just a little. Tip 2. Your sleuth isn't a cop. They're a baker, a librarian, a retiree with strong opinions, and a very nosy cat. Make them clever, curious, and delightfully out of their depth. Tip 3. Keep the murder clean, but the clues messy. No gore, just red herrings, secrets, and a reveal that makes readers gasp and grin. Cozy mysteries are comfort food with a body in the pantry. Write them with charm. Solve them with heart. Follow for more cupcake-approved writing tips from Havlow Press.